Traditional organizations have a structure of management with a strong focus on procedures and control. In this fast-changing world, this is a model bound to fail. We are moving to a paradigm where you succeed by being responsive. A responsive organization is an organization which is strong on vision and culture, hires and keeps the best people on board, and has software at the heart of its business model. This also means a paradigm shift for C-level. Instead of being behind the steering wheel, they enable customers to take control over and facilitate the organization in order to serve the customer to the best of its ability. The tasks of the CEO of a responsive enterprise are a combination of the traditional CEO and CIO roles. A responsive organization puts the customer at the center of its operations. This is because software combined with big data offers unprecedented capabilities to customize the service offerings to the wishes and requirements of the customer. First of all, software plays a big part in interaction with the customer. Secondly, a responsive enterprise makes brilliant use of the possibilities software offers to analyze the behavior of the customer. It creates insight, which leads to experiments. These experiments can be created and abolished at lightning speed due to the presence of a continuous delivery pipeline. So what does a continuous delivery pipeline look like? A continuous delivery pipeline consists of basically 6 stages. The first stage is the commit stage. Within this stage, the features are built, unit tested, and packaged. At the second stage, the automated acceptance tests run to validate that the package is doing what it is supposed to be doing, based on the acceptance criteria. At the third stage, the team validates if the product is working in an exploratory manner. Fourth stage in the process is to let a user group test the application. At the fifth stage, the product is tested in a production-like environment to validate the performance and to test if the product can handle a certain amount of load. In the sixth and final step, the product is in production, where it can be monitored, measured, and where experiments can be made available to a specific group of your customers. Developers are essential in creating and maintaining this software-driven business model. They are the engine of growth and are strategic to the existence of the responsive enterprise. But how do you create a company culture where developers are attracted to an organization like bees are to a beehive? The key components of a responsive enterprise culture are employees that have unprecedented freedom to make decisions which impact customer experience. Employees that are stimulated and have the freedom to experiment. The successful experiments act as an input for a next generation of services that a responsive enterprise offers. A responsive enterprise is high on vision. It is not only a place to work, but a vehicle to make the world a little bit better. These cultural values stimulate low-level entrepreneurship, which leads to a strong focus on the customer. Sooner than you may think, every company will become a software company. Start your journey to become a responsive enterprise today. Prowareness. We on. Transforming organizations into software-driven responsive enterprises.